How to send pictures in TikTok comments. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Currently, TikTok does not support sending pictures directly in the comment section of posts. However, TikTok does allow users to respond to comments with videos, which can include images as part of the video. To do that, go ahead and open the TikTok app and further open the TikTok video where you want to reply with a picture. Now find the comment you want to respond to and then tap on the reply option below the comment. You will then see the camera icon that appears, so to start recording a video response, tap on that. Once the recording screen, tap on the Effects or Upload button usually located on the bottom left and choose the image you want from your phone's gallery to incorporate in the video. Also add filters, text, or other TikTok effects to make the picture reply more engaging, but that is totally optional. Further record the video and post it. The comment and your TikTok response be linked and other users can view them together. You can also create a picture collage in your video by using third-party apps such as Canva or PixArt to create a picture collage. You can then save the collage to your device and upload it to the TikTok as part of your video reply. So these were a few ways on how you can send picture in TikTok comments. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.